everybody, my name is Julie B. Welcome to my 60-year-old house. Well, we're cleaning the kids' room today. Don't judge me. I don't take care of the cat's litter boxes or this room, but I'm sick of it stinking. So, this is part of the house that y'all don't see. It is going to get cleaned today. And yes, you'll see my kits in here the whole time. We got to clean this room too. See it? Yeah. Last time it was cleaned, I cleaned it. So, I'm going to flip y'all around. In this room, there's a twin bed, and there's cat stuff and some totes. I'm going to be moving the totes. I'm going to be moving some stuff in the cat room. And then it'll be clean. I gotta mop it and everything else because, yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we're going to do. Okay, now, my friends, do not judge me. I've already started to kind of clean in here. See? The monstrous cats. And there's Tommy Lee. Are you Tommy Lee? Or you? Yeah, you're Tommy Lee. But yeah, this is the kids' room. I already started cleaning. It was swept just this week, supposedly. But I got 2 piles of litter and crap. I got to clean there. I got the shop vac in here. I got to clean that off. But I got to clean up in here because, oh, it's bad. So anyway, I'm going to put y'all down.
Would you like to go with others? Would you like to go with me? Would you like to go with others? Would you like to go with me? Would you like to go with others? Would you like to go with me? Would you like to go with others? Would you like don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody is waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend.
That's it for this room. I still have 2 cat boxes to put in here, but I'm done. I have to, you'll still see me in the same outfit. Oh, my hair, it's all over the place. You'll still see me in the same outfit, but I'm gonna be in the bathroom, in the hallway, because those need to be cleaned. Because I think the last time they got cleaned was when I cleaned them. I think. I'm pretty sure of it. My Molly. I put up it's just a canvas cover. That's all it is. It's a cloth canvas cover. We nailed it up. We screwed it in because the kids kept pulling down the other ones. The blankets and stuff we had up here. So I got something a little bit sturdier and we screwed it in. He's got 2 of the cat boxes outside drying. When they come in, I'll put them in here. But yeah, other than that, I'm done in here. I got what I could up. It's hot. It's really hot. It's more laid out better. It's not as cramped. You don't have to walk over cats when you're feeding them. So anyway, I'm gonna flip y'all around. Okay, so this is what all I did. I cleaned up. That's where we used to have the cat bowls, and it was just in the way of the door. The cat boxes, they used to line up here, and then where this cat tree was over here, we had one up in the corner. Well, I'm gonna put them all right there, so maybe it won't be as big of a mess. And then I put their cat bowls here because I know you can see up underneath there. I'm not gonna crawl up underneath there to scrape it. I'm just too old to get on my knees, especially today. Got a headache. So I put their bowls here because some of them will climb up on that glass and eat from there. So I'm not worried about that. If not, she can move them. I don't care. Put that. I took off the the sheet, and I put the blankets. That's their blanket they got for Christmas one year, but they love it. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this one. There'll be another one coming after this in the same attire, and then my bedroom will be the same clothes. Yeah, because I have to leave tomorrow. I only have one day to do all this and do my laundry. Yeah. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I will talk to y'all in a little while. Bye. See y'all in a minute. Bye.